Hi everyone, I'm Katrina. I'm a volunteer with SitStayRead. For those of you who may not know us, at SitStayRead we like to take the awesomeness of dogs and use that to get kids excited about reading and writing. We work in Chicago Public Schools with many human and dog volunteers. And if you don't know that much about us, please visit our website. I think that you will enjoy it. So today I'm going to be reading a book, and that book is called Bear Snores On. It is one of my kids' favorites, and it is by the author Karma Wilson, and it is illustrated by Jane Chapman. So let's get started. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. So here's a cool big word I'm going to throw out at you. Those words, howl and growl, that kind of sound like what they say, those are called onomatopoeia. So your parents will be super excited when you bust that one out. Okay? An itty bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoes, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. You guys see the hare? What's another word for a hare? A rabbit or a bunny. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yum-yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Do you think the bear knows that they're there? I don't know. Will he be mad or happy? A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear "Ra-choo!" He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Poor bear. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps. Ooh. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. And that is the wonderful book, Bear Snores On. I hope you guys liked it. It has some great things. All of that onomatopoeia. It's very fun to read because you get to growl and wail and cry and blubber. It's fun, isn't it? So I always have fun reading this with my kids. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please check back here for more videos. We will have more coming for Sit, Stay, Read. And we hope you are all well and safe during this time. And most of all, at Sit, Stay, Read, we want to remind you to keep reading.